Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about solid state lecture 2 symmetry in crystal systems. Among various types of symmetries, only three basic types are discussed here. They are plane of symmetry, axis of symmetry and center of symmetry. Plane of symmetry. When an imaginary plane divides a crystal into two parts such that one is the exact mirror image of the other, then that crystal is said to have plane of symmetry. Here is an example. Imaginary plane. A blue plane divides the cyclohexane crystal. This is the cyclohexane, the board form of the board conformation of the cyclohexane. When it divides the crystal into two halves, one half is a mirror image of other. When you see from the orange plane, such that the one half of the cyclohexane is the mirror image of the other half. Then the second one, axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is the line about which crystal may be rotated that it presents the same or similar appearance more than once during one complete revolution, which means within one 360-degree rotation you will get the same appearance more than once. Here you can see two-fold axis. It's also called diad axis. Here within 360-degree rotation we will get the same appearance at 180-degree each, so that we can get two similar appearances. So, here is given similar appearances is repeated after an angle of 180 degree for one complete revolution. You can see the image here. Then threefold axis, which means triad axis. Here 360 divided by 120 equal to 3, which means at every 120 degree you can see the similar appearance within 360 degree rotation. So you will get three similar appearances within 360, such that it is given similar appearances are repeated after an angle of 120 degree after one complete revolution. You can see the diagram here. Then fourfold axis, it is also called tetrad axis. Here 360 divided by 90, which means it gives fourfold axis. Similar appearances are repeated after an angle of 90 degree for one complete revolution, which means within 360 degree you will get 490 degrees, so that you get fourfold axis. Then sixfold axis or hexad axis, 360 divided by 60, which gives six similar appearances that are repeated after 60-degree angle. In general, for n-fold axis, 360 divided by n gives the number of fold of axis of one complete rotation. Then third one, center of symmetry. Center of symmetry of a crystal is such a point that any line drawn through it intersects the surface of the crystal at an equal distance in both directions. Important point is that a crystal has only one center of symmetry, but many planes and axes are passing through. This is the center of symmetry. Here the center atom, a line passing through the center atom has the equal distance from the center atom to the above surface and center atom to the below surface. Thank you. In next video we are going to see about the elements of a crystal.